Did you know that cauliflower has 93% less carbs and calories than pasta? So one of the easiest ways to make any pasta salad healthier is simply swap out some of the pasta for cauliflower. There's no doubt about it. The unexpected combination of flavors and textures in this healthy salad will solve your search for ways to reduce carbs and calories, and in a way you're going to absolutely love. The deep roasted flavors of spicy cauliflower paired perfectly with just a little bit of pasta, sauced with the fresh zingy dressing, and topped with some unexpected treats. Tender greens, toasty walnuts, sun-dried tomatoes, and creamy avocado bits mean every bite is a little combination of deliciousness. And I love it so because this recipe is another great example of flavor layering at its best. All done in 30 minutes. So let's get started. Using the freshest cauliflower you can buy, cut it into individual florets. If they're too big, slice them in half so you can place the cut side flat on the baking sheet. It'll roast and brown much nicer this way. Toss them with the dry seasonings first. 1 teaspoon of smoky paprika, a smidge of chili pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and give it a gentle toss before adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Mix it well and spread it out on a baking sheet, making sure the cut edges are flat, into a 450-degree oven for 10 minutes to start. Prep the walnuts to take advantage of that hot oven and get them ready to roast too for a fast 5 minutes. I like to break them up so more edges get toastier. Now that the oven ingredients are on their way, let's make the dressing. We need the juice from 1 lemon, 2 garlic cloves, finely minced, 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, 2 finely minced shallots, and now we'll mix it all together with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, the lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, the garlic, the ginger, the shallots, 2 teaspoons of spicy mustard, and give it a good shake. It's been 10 minutes, so we're ready to toss the cauliflower to make sure all the edges get crispy and brown, and return it to the oven for another 10 minutes. Which gives us just enough time to cook 1 cup of pasta in some salted and oiled water. When it's got a bit of a bite that we'd call al dente, drain it and set it to rest. We have a few more minutes before the cauliflower comes out. So let's prepare a little basil for an extra flavor layer and dice some sun-dried tomatoes. It's been a total 20 minutes in the oven, and the cauliflower looks absolutely perfect. Time to assemble this healthy salad. Combine pasta, cauliflower, sun-dried tomatoes and dressing, and give it a gentle toss. Now top with the basil, arugula, or another herby green, and mix it just enough to combine everything. We're ready to dish it up, but not before sprinkling each dish with a generous serving of roasted walnuts and creamy avocado bits. This is just delicious. The cauliflower is tender but roasted crispy. The pasta just plays a supporting role, and the other flavors really add the punch that makes the salad so unique and tasty. I can't wait to hear what you think of it too.